Right, now let's start winding that bobbin. We're going to start with an empty bobbin. I've got my thread on my spool pin. I'm going to come over to this guide here, down to the thread guide. And these thread guides are really important. Yours might be different. Just make sure that you follow them. They're going to keep the bobbin threading nice and smoothly. Bobbins have a hole in the middle of them and it comes out the top. So I'm going to go in that hole. I'm going to come up with a little tail. I'm going to hold on to that tail. Now this is really important. You've got to engage your bobbin. Usually that means pushing it over to the side. On some machines, it means pulling the hand wheel out. There'll be a section that goes in and out, and you'll just pull that out. That engages your bobbin. Hold on to this thread tail for just a little bit. We're going to go slow. This is not a race. Okay, now we can snip that thread tail, get rid of it. You'll notice that most sewing machines have a guide over here. That's going to make this kind of slow down. It lets you know when your bobbin is full. And then you're either going to take your scissors, or if yours has a thread cutter, snip that thread. Look at that. That is a beautiful bobbin. Obviously it could get a little bit fuller. I stopped just for the sake of the video.